Abdullah dough kneading machine model AE900A being checked and packed for Daraz order. This is a shipping label. 22nd November 2025. We are Orion Engineering Company. This is an order from Islamabad. It's a brand new machine just opened from its genuine carton. This is the carton which has a thermopore at the bottom and we place extra packing material inside. This is the thermopore at the top. It comes with a instruction manual, a container, a metal blade and a plastic blade. The machine is okay from all the sides. We will show you in the video. This is the back side. We will show you from the bottom. Now we will start the machine and check it's working. On नहीं किया तुमने. तार निकली हुई पहले वहां से निकालो, करंट तुम पर लगेगा. जल्दी से पेज कैसे खोलो, वीडियो का टाइम लगाया हो रहा है. You can easily knead dough in it of maximum 3.5 kg capacity. That is the weight of the kneaded dough. The dry flour max weight is about 2.2 kg, and you can easily take out the steel bowl from it using both of your hands. And when you have to place it back again after washing with water, then please see the bulge on the steel tap and this placeholder and place the steel tap accordingly, and then press it downwards and then install the blade, whichever blade you want, the metal one or the plastic one. This is the timer. Max timer is about 5 minutes. Now we will show you it's working. There you can see the machine has started and it automatically stops when the timer comes to the off position. So it is working perfectly okay, and now we will pack it as per the Daraz packaging guidelines in its genuine carton and then in brown sheet and bubble wrap, and we will also apply fragile stickers on top. Please do not forget to give review with pictures when you receive the item and are satisfied with it. If you have any issues or questions, do contact us on the Daraz chat. Please also subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos, comment on the videos if you have any questions or any comments. We are placing extra packing material inside the carton so that it safely reaches the customer's end and does not get damaged in transit. Now we will pack it in brown sheet and then bubble wrap. 4.5 असर है ना, मैं असर पड़ के आऊँगा फिर तुम जाना, सही है? याद रखना आज शाम को ज़रा कल्टस में देखेंगे कि इंजन ऑयल कितना कम है, क्या है, बहुत हुआ माल। This is the bubble wrap in which we will now pack the machine. Now we are applying the shipping label. After this we will also apply shrink wrap on it as an additional packing material. Please do not forget to give review with pictures when you receive the item and are satisfied with it. Orion Engineering Company, Karachi.